Welcome to Techbench. Today we're taking an in-depth look at the HYDAC Sustainmicron filter element, the new standard in element technology. Designed with precision, this element features optimised flow channels and a state-of-the-art filtering media that capture microscopic contaminants while ensuring a consistent, high-performance hydraulic fluid. Its innovative design minimises pressure drops and energy losses, leading to lower fuel consumption and reduced emissions. Additionally, the robust construction extends maintenance intervals, helping to reduce waste overall and operational costs. HYDAC's advanced engineering not only keeps systems running smoothly, but also contributes to a more sustainable future. A lower initial pressure drop results directly in longer-lasting filter elements, meaning that you spend less on replacements throughout the system lifecycle. For more hands-on insights into fluid technologies, stay tuned to HYDAC's Techbench series.